Hi, again welcome to the classes. Now this is a class where I am going to explain with the problem number 3 related to the TDS, that is the 2019 question paper. See, in your examination they may ask for the 14 marks directly with the large problem, or they will go to cut short 14 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ A, B, C ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2019 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್. See the problem. The following are the payment made by the PQR Company Limited for the previous year 2018-19. Calculate the amount of the TDS to be made, assuming that all the recipients have valid PAN except Mr. A and all are resident in Indians, right? All are resident Indians, right? It is a payment made by the company and the receivers ಯಾರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 40,000 paid to Mr. A as a rent per month, right? If a rent paid to an individual per month 50,000 is threshold limit, right? ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ threshold limit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 50,000, but here is how much, that is 40,000. But in order to, that is they have given the information, he doesn't have the PAN card, but we don't require, that is limit, threshold limit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 50,000 ಇದೆ, but here how much, that is 40,000, hence no TDS, right. Next, 2 lakh paid to statutory auditor fees. Auditor has a audit fees for the year. It is the professional fee up to 30,000, no TDS, but is amount is how much, that is 2 lakh, then it will be attract what, that is a TDS, right. Next one, 1,20,000 paid as brokerage to XYZ Company Limited. It is the brokerage, right, under section 194H, insurance other than that is a commission on other than insurance commission, then it is including brokerage also. Amount how much, threshold limit 15,000, but here the amount is how much, that is 1,20,000. At 5% rate the TDS will be applicable. And the next one is, that is rupees 1 lakh paid to Mr. Ramesh towards execution of a event. It is a single contract, individual ಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು, ರೈಟ್. ಅಪ್ ಟು 30,000 no TDS, but here the amount is how much, 1 lakh, right. Under section 194C 30,000 is the limit, but the amount is how much, 1 lakh, then they have to pay the, that is TDS on that, right. Now see the problem. First one is you know the particulars format, right? Particulars, section, threshold limit, amount, difference amount, rate and TDS, right. First one is rent paid to Mr. A 40,000 per month, but you have no PAN card, but no worry, because if PAN card is there, then the rate will be normal rate. If no PAN card, then it will be 20%, but again if it is with the threshold limit or without the threshold limit, right. The threshold limit is what, that is a 50,000, but the amount is how much, 40,000. It is below the threshold limit, no TDS, right. Next one, audit fee. It is a professional fee under section 194J up to 30,000, no TDS. Amount is how much, that is a 2 lakh, right. In order to know the difference amount, it is a positive amount, hence it will attract TDS, right. What is the amount, 2 lakh into 10%, that is 20,000 is the TDS. Next, brokerage to XYZ Company Limited. It is the commission and brokerage other than insurance commission, right. Under section 194H 15,000 is a threshold limit, but the amount is here 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 5%, 6,000 will be the TDS. Next one, payment to Ramesh for execution of a event. It is a single contract under section 194C up to 30,000, no TDS. And again here the amount is how much, that is 1 lakh. On 1 lakh 1% means that is 1,000 will be the TDS amount. A very simple problem. 2 to 3 transactions they have asked in order to calculate the TDS. This will be the problem number 3. Next we will go to see the problem number 4. That is, from the following details of income, compute the TDS amount for each transaction. Right, first one, withdraw from EPF by an employee who has worked for 3 years, rupees 60,000 furnishing the PAN card. Right, he is an individual, he is withdrawing the that is amount EPF, that is a recognized and that is a employee provident fund. How much rupees? That is 60,000. Up to 50,000, no TDS. More than 50,000, attract the TDS at 10%. When with the PAN, without the PAN 20%. Right, here amount is how much? 60,000. It is more than the threshold limit, so hence it will attract the TDS at 10%. 60,000 into 10%, 6,000 will be the TDS. Dividend from unlisted company. Dividend from unlisted company. Right, under section 194. Right, up to 2,500 no TDS, but here amount is how much? That is 5,000. Hence it is attract 10% of TDS. Next one. Commission on insurance earned by an agent. It is a insurance commission under section 194D. 15,000 is no, up to 15,000 no TDS, but here the amount is how much? 18,000. Hence on 18,000 TDS will be applicable. Next one, withdraw amount from National Savings Scheme. Right, under section 194EE. Right, up to 2,500 no TDS, but here how much? That is 2,000. Right, no TDS. It is below the threshold limit. Rent paid to building under section 194 IB per month 50,000. ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೂ 50,000 ವರೆಗೂ TDS ಇಲ್ಲ, but here they have given for the year, then we have to convert it for the month. If it is below 50,000 no TDS, more than 50,000 we have to go calculate the TDS. And the next one is rent paid to landlord rupees 60,000 per month. So it is more than 50,000 and hence it will attract the TDS. Next, dividend from Indian company listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. It is a listed company, dividend no TDS, exempted. Winning from puzzles game, that is 20,000 under section 194B. Up to 10,000 no TDS, more than 10,000 30% of the TDS. Winning from lottery under section that is 194B, that is up to 10,000 no TDS. Here amount is 1 lakh at 30% TDS will be applicable. Interest on post office deposit 194A, that is up to 10,000 no TDS, but here the amount is how much? 12,000, hence it will attract the 10% of the TDS. We are going to see the solution. Right, particulars, section, threshold limit, amount I have interchange ಮಾಡಿದೆ, no problem. Rate, difference amount and TDS. First one, premature amount withdraw from EPF. Right, how much? That is 60,000 draw ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but limit is how much? That is 50,000. Hence it is more than threshold limit, hence it will attract the TDS. Right, 60,000 into 10% amount will be what? That is 6,000. Right, very simple. First ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಬರೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ರೇಟ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೋ TDS, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? TDS ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು TDS ರೇಟ್, then you will get the TDS amount. Right, that's it. Right, dividend from unlisted company. Right, up to 2,500 no TDS. Right, amount is how much? 5,000. 5,000 into 10%, 500. Next one, commission on insurance under section 194D. Right, up to 15,000 no commission, no TDS. Right, but the amount is 18,000, hence it will attract the 5% of TDS. 18,000 into 5%, 900. Next one, withdraw from National Savings Scheme 194EE, up to 2,500 no TDS, and but here the amount is 2,000, hence it is a negative balance, no TDS. Next one, rent paid to ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಬೈ ಹೂಮ್, ಬೈ ದಿ ಟು ಹೂ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು, ರೈಟ್. Right. Amount is how much? Here they have given 5,40,000 for 1 year. Then we have to convert it for the month. How to convert 5,40,000 divided by in a year 12 months. So then for the month it will be 45,000. Threshold limit is what? Up to 50,000. No, that is a TDS. Hence no TDS because it is below 50,000. Rent paid to landlord, that is a 50,000 is a threshold limit, but the paid amount is how much? 60,000, right. Hence it will be attract the TDS. 60,000 into 10%, 6,000 will be the TDS on rent. Next one, dividend from Indian listed company dividend exempted. Next one is winning from puzzles game under section 194B, that is up to 10,000, no TDS, but the amount is here 20,000 at 30%. 20,000 into 30, 6,000. Next, winning from lottery 194B, right, up to 10,000, no TDS, right. Amount is how much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 30%, that is 30,000 will be the TDS. Next one, payment to individual contract up to 30,000, no TDS, but the amount is how much here? 12,000, hence no TDS because it is a negative balance. How we have calculated, right? This will be the problem number 4, a very simple problem, right? Go and see with the problem. Thank you so much.